Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mirror sketch in FreeCAD. So first we need to create here an empty file, and after that we need to click on create body. Then we need to select here create sketch, and now I select XY plane, base plane, and I click OK button. After that I need to select this one option, create polyline. It will let us to create a polyline in the sketch, so I select it. And now I draw here a simple sketch, maybe something like that, something like that, something like that, and something like that. Now I press escape in my keyboard and I select the created shape. How you see 4 elements are selected now, and here we need to click on this one option, it is symmetry. It will let you to create symmetric of selected geometry. After starting the tool, select the reference line or point. So I click on it, and then I move my cursor on this one line. Here you can check the preview of symmetry effect. So you can click on it, and how you see mirrored version of this object has been successfully created here. Of course, if you want, you can always delete the previous version. You can select the line, then you can press and hold shift and select another line, and you can press and hold shift and select another line. Then you can click right mouse button here, and you can select here delete. So in this way you can mirror the sketch in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.